When we're working at heights, there's always a danger of our tools falling and striking someone else on the ground. And so it is an OSHA regulation that all of our tools, when we're working at heights, have to be lanyard. You can see how these lanyards work. Here's a T-bar that's on the chair. You can see that that lanyard is clipped there. It can be clipped anywhere you want it to be, but it needs to be clipped off so that it can't fall to the ground. And so they make different types. Some are phone cord and some are solid. One tool that specifically gets not thought about very much at all may be our phone. And they do make a lanyard. You'll notice here that I'm wearing. It's called a clacket, and it basically attaches right to your lanyard, and so that if you were using your phone and you happen to drop it, it would not go to the ground as well.